Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Leadpages affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Leadpages website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. On the home page, scroll down to the footer section. Look for the link labeled affiliates and click on it. You will be redirected to the Leadpages affiliate program page. Here, read through the information provided to understand the benefits and requirements. Locate the Sign Up button and click on it. You will be taken to the registration form. Begin filling out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Next, create a strong password for your account. Select your preferred payment method for receiving commissions. Fill in additional details about your online presence, such as your website or social media accounts. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Once you are done, check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log back into your Leadpages account. Access your affiliate dashboard to find your unique affiliate links. You are now ready to start promoting Leadpages and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.